Feel the music, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and expressive English phrase, feel the music. This phrase is not just about listening to music, but about experiencing it deeply. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about this phrase, this video will help you understand its meaning and usage. Feel the music is a phrase that goes beyond the literal act of listening. It's about connecting emotionally with the music. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone is not just hearing the sounds, but also experiencing the emotions and stories conveyed through the music. It's about letting the music touch your heart and soul. Let's look at some examples. 1. In dancing. When a dancer moves naturally and expressively, they are said to feel the music. They're not just following steps. They're expressing the rhythm and mood of the song through their movements. 2. In everyday life. If someone closes their eyes and sways to a song, completely absorbed, they are feeling the music. It's a moment of deep connection with the art form. It's important to understand that feel the music can have different meanings depending on the context. In a dance class, it might be about expressing the music through your body. In a personal setting, it could mean finding solace or joy in music. The context changes the nuance of the phrase. This phrase also has a cultural significance. It reflects the universal language of music and its power to transcend barriers. Feeling the music is a shared human experience, regardless of language or culture. I hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the depth of the phrase, feel the music. It's a beautiful expression of how music can touch our lives. Remember, music is not just to be heard but to be felt. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.